A wet start today, but do not put that umbrella anywhere. Jim Dickey can be hanging around most of the day.
Yeah, I think so. It's not necessarily a washout. You know, it's not going to be raining all day in your neighborhood, but it's one of those days there's going to be some rain out there at just about any point. That's why we have the Gulf Coast Weather Impact Day in effect here for today. I think a big key here too, we're not expecting severe storms necessarily. So no concern there. It's just that day-long rain that will impact any outdoor plans you may have later on today. And the rain we track for you could be heavy at times. The setup we're in too, this is all forming along a front that has more or less stalled over top of us. Depending on how that rain sets up, we could be dealing with some localized flooding issues today and into the day tomorrow, another Gulf Coast Weather Impact Day tomorrow, as this front is in no hurry to work its way through. This late into the season, fronts rarely make it this far south, and when they do, they stall to a crawl and fall apart. That's exactly what this is going to do. Moves in, sets up shop, keeps that moisture flowing in on its south side, keeps the rain going. You can see all the cloud cover, and this is some heavy rain out here in the Gulf associated with that front, all of that flowing in here now. Take a look at Gulf Coast Live radar. Lots of rain around us right now, not much going over land currently. We have a few pockets of drizzle, Lee County, North Collier into Glades and Hendry. Heaviest of the rain is to coastal Collier. We have a decent downpour, just scraped its way by Marco Island. This is rolling across 41 in South Collier. So if you have plans to travel along 41 here from Naples down towards Everglades City, it's going to be a rough go over the next 20 to 30 minutes. And as we zoom out our view, look at all of this rain out here over the Gulf. Look at the lightning counter, 300 plus lightning strikes. There's a low pressure area forming along that front, and that is sort of enhancing the rainfall here. So I do think the question going forward to the second half of the day, do we get some of this heavier rain to move its way on shore? And I am seeing trends that at least this pocket of rain will be expanding into northern Lee County and Charlotte County as we work into the second half of the day. So those rain chances remain elevated. Yeah, keep those umbrellas with you. It's, again, not a total washout, but I can't guarantee you any long stretches of dry weather out there too. And especially as you go to the afternoon and the evening hours, some of this rain could be on the heavier side. It's what our model shows. We have our patchy drizzle out there right now, so the model has initialized well. It shows a little more intensity to the rain. 3, 4, and 5 o'clock, particularly with this batch that's working its way towards the East Coast. Then we have some heftier downpours getting going over Charlotte County, Glades County, Hendry County, sinking southward. I do think by 7, 8, and 9 o'clock tonight, we're going to wind things down, at least temporarily, even as the clouds hold strong with that front not going anywhere anytime soon. So we step on through your Gulf Coast 7-day forecast. Tomorrow, another stormy day. The lone difference is I think the front settles a little further southward, so the rain chances will mainly favor areas south of the Caloosahatchee. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, drier air tries to slip in here on the backside of the front. I still think we track scattered downpours and storms on Saturday for the weekend. That is, we're mainly dry both days, and then we're back to that sort of typical rainy season pattern as we head into early next week. Step through tomorrow. Scattered downpours early. I think the rain chances peak between about 9 o'clock and about 2 o'clock, but note, it's another day where there's at least a chance for rain just about all day long. Another day where it's going to be difficult to get any long stretches of outdoor time in without rain being a threat for you. You see how our futurecast shows the rain evolving by 2 and 3 o'clock, expanding in, and I think we have some heavy rain and widespread rain to track for you. 5, 6, and 7 o'clock. Note our model says mainly south of the Caloosahatchee for the highest of the rain totals, focusing in on Collier County and South Lee County. Totals all around, most of us about a half an inch to an inch, but some spots where that heavier rain sets up could get a quick inch or two in short order. So again, we're watching for localized flooding as we go through the day today, as we head through the day tomorrow as well. That's your Gulf Coast weather, most accurate forecast.